The kind of love Akwa Okuko have over other human beings in Igbo is too much. How he's showing love, mostly in occasion, birthday, marriage ceremony, and the other ceremony, is too much. So I'm so much amazing of what this young man is doing. You can see on yourself how he's showing love to people, how he's giving money, how he's spreading money, how he's spreading wealth to people. It's so wonderful, it's so amazing. He will be doing, and his wife also will be doing as well. And they are just showing love everywhere to people. It's so amazing. I love that and I adopt that. I hope you will do so also. Like